Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. In this video, we are going to see how to use the CAD software CAD. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD NEST YouTube channel for more updates. So let us go for the design environment and let us see how to use the CAD software.
Under new, I will be taking as model. Go for menu. Under insert, go for curve. Here we will be having a helix option. Go for helix. So it will take automatic ellipse here. You will be specifying a direction, in which direction you want, and also you will be specifying a diameter, say for example 40, and also will be specifying the pitch value. So I will be taking it as 18, then give it as OK. So this is how we will be creating a ellipse option. In order to convert this helix into a spring, go for sketch, go for sketch. Here sketch type, select as on the path, select the path, say this is my path, and under plane location, give it as 0 and then OK. So now you can sketch your profile. Say I will be taking a circle. At this end, I will be creating my structure, circle structure, give it as finish. Then now, with the help of sweep option, you can create your spring. Go for insert, sweep, here sweep along the guide. Here select your section, the circle is your section, and select your guide. That is helix is your guide. Then give it as OK. Like this, you will be using a helix option to create a spring or as the coil. You can create this as a surface model also. For that, go for edit. Under settings, we will be changing body type as sheet. If you change it to a sheet, you can see you can create a surface material. If you change it to a solid, you will be creating a solid material. So like this, we will be creating a spring with the help of helix option. So this is all for now. Let's meet in a next video.